You know, you're probably using Word, Excel, and Teams literally every single day. And if you've spotted that little colorful Copilot icon, maybe you've clicked it once or twice just to summarize a long email. But here is the crazy truth. Most of us are only using about 5% of what this tool can actually do. 5%! Welcome to this explainer, where we are going to completely unlock Microsoft Copilot's true power and get you way beyond that 5%. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our new content on mastering AI. Okay, let's get right into it.
So, picture your typical morning. Your coffee is spilling, your phone is just pinging nonstop with Teams notifications, and your desktop is completely buried under, 50 open browser tabs and 3 unfinished spreadsheets? It's chaos. And you might think, hey, I'm using AI just because you asked it to summarize a quick message. But man, that is a massive missed potential.
All right, let's reframe how we look at Copilot. It is absolutely not just a basic chatbot. We need to think of it as a holistic digital brain embedded right inside the apps you already use. Seriously, imagine having a junior analyst, a graphic designer, and a project manager all just sitting inside your laptop ready to work for you at the speed of thought. It's purposefully designed to separate you, the knowledge worker, from all that administrative drudgery. Let's walk through a typical day to see this in action. Section 1, 9 a.m. Taming the morning chaos. Okay, it's 9 a.m. You've just missed a 30-minute meeting because, of course, you were stuck on a client call. Normally, you'd have to sit around waiting for the recording, or worse, desperately chase down a colleague for their kinda-sorta complete notes. Instead, you just open Teams and click the Recap tab, and instantly Copilot comes to the rescue. Right there, the AI immediately surfaces the key discussion points, every single decision that was made, and this is the best part, a list of specific action items with your name on them. It even highlights the exact moments where you were mentioned. The old way of begging for notes is just completely eliminated.
Now, while you're catching up, you still need to follow up on some things. So, you jump over to Outlook, where you're staring down this daunting thread of 20 emails. You don't read them. Seriously, don't. You just ask Copilot to summarize this thread, and in seconds, you've got a clean 3-bullet-point overview of the whole conversation. Then, you tell Copilot, draft a polite response confirming I'll have the report ready by Friday. Boom! It generates a professional reply that perfectly matches your natural tone.
Now, the real secret here is knowing exactly how to ask. There's a golden rule of prompting that ensures your AI outputs are consistently flawless, and it goes like this: role plus goal plus audience equals dramatically better output. So instead of a vague request, you give it those specific parameters, and it delivers exactly what you need every time.
Moving right along, Section 2, 11 a.m., Conquering Deep Work.
All right, so now it's time for the heavy lifting, strategy and analysis, and we're looking at a pretty stark contrast here. On one hand, we all know the dreaded blank page syndrome, staring at an empty document, totally lacking inspiration. But on the flip side, we have what's called agent mode vibe writing. This is a super interactive, conversational way of drafting that pulls data directly from your existing files. So instead of staring at that blank page until your eyes water, you open Word and prompt Copilot, draft a product strategy update based on these meeting notes and this email thread. The AI literally orchestrates this multi-step task for you, pulling cross-app data to seamlessly build out your headers, your goals, and your risk factors. But hey, a strategy is just a story without data, right? So you open Excel. Let's say you have this massive sheet of sales figures that would normally take hours to pivot manually. You enter Excel's agent mode, which natively speaks Excel, by the way, and you simply say, analyze this data. You can ask it to, say, show me the top 3 performing regions with a visual trend. And Copilot doesn't just do the raw math. No, it builds the charts, it identifies the why behind a specific sales drop, and it even suggests a business recommendation in plain, simple English. It's like having a data scientist looking over your shoulder. All right, let's fast forward. Section 3, 2 p.m., the big presentation.
So, the pressure is on. You have to synthesize all of this morning's amazing work to present your new strategy to leadership. You open PowerPoint, but you don't start hunting for a generic template. Nope, you just select Create Presentation from File and point Copilot directly to the Word document you literally just authored.
In under a minute, less than 60 seconds, Copilot builds a complete deck. It organizes your points into logical sections, applies your specific corporate branding, and pulls in high-quality stock images to make it look incredibly professional. Let's say you decide a slide needs a bit more pop. You just tell it, add an image of a modern warehouse in a minimalist style, and it generates a custom visual for you right there using DALL-E. It even generates talking points for each slide, so you aren't just reading text to your boss, you're actually presenting. Which brings us to the end of the day. Section 4, 5 p.m., the pilot mindset.
Let's pull back for a second to look at the massive human and business impact here, because this is where the real magic happens. You aren't just a doer anymore. You are the pilot. The AI handles all the heavy lifting of data entry and formatting, freeing you up to focus on what humans actually do best: emotional intelligence, complex judgment, and strategic orchestration. Get this. Workers using this AI assistance generate an estimated $23,000 in additional annual value. For example, one agribusiness used this exact workflow to turn weekly data into daily forecasts, and it resulted in a $30 million improvement in margin. That didn't happen because the AI was smart. It happened because professionals used the AI to see patterns they used to completely miss.
We can also look at another real-world example, Scottish Water. In a single week, they saved 200 hours across their Copilot users. 200 hours! And that was just by using it to manage daily schedules, meeting minutes, and document creation.
But you know, the ultimate return on investment isn't even just about speed. As Scottish Water's leadership rightly pointed out, it's really about elevating human potential and producing a far higher quality of work. You are actively shifting away from mind-numbing administrative tasks to highly impactful, meaningful work.
So, as you confidently close your laptop and actually walk out of the office on time for once, I really want to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop being just a doer and finally become the pilot of your workday? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep exploring, keep testing these tools, and I'll see you next time.